Ke mantswe a feng a o qetela o ka rata ho bua le setjhaba hobane sa le mona ebile ba tlile re bone ho thuthilwe ka mane le ka mona ke bona koloi ya kena hobaneng ke batla ho tsebisa setjhaba sa rona hona jwale sa mokwallo hona o ka reng ka mosebetsi o lo etsang kwa ka jeko fela o tla no tswelle pele o ntso etsang.
Ke leboha ntate Motsemme, ke dumedisa di-viewers tsa hao, ke dumedise setjhaba sa mokwallo kaofela. Ntate Motsemme, wa tseba concern ya rona haholoholo ke compliance. We are not against any human being. We are against people who are operating in South Africa disregarding the rule of law. All businesses should comply accordingly, and there were several attempts to show you the business they are comply. I remember I engage the office ya major ya ba teteletse it is the operation ka motse wa mokwallo because re bona these things getting out of control, and they come and cover fihla ba etsa oversight in shopong ba etsa these people, they close the shops, they run away. And then how operation it's a Maya Mantibuya operator. So it shows that they don't respect the laws of South Africa. So we are appealing to the enforcement of laws to ensure that our communities are well protected under the rule of law, and to ensure that everything in South Africa as a product it's illicit, it's because Freda Photo Monana victim yeah this illicit product so hence if they don't comply they must close, simple as that.
What can you say, because they were implementing agencies who are supposed to come and make sure that these people they do comply, and so far those implementing agencies were enforcement having to actually enforce their laws. Talk about immigration, talk of the municipality, because as you say, last year I think the president proclaimed there was a proclamation that was made for these people, foreign national passport owners, to register. Others they did not register, others they applied, but we don't know actually what happened with those applications. What is it that you like to say to these foreign national sponsorship owners?
I'm highly encouraging these foreign national sponsorships owners to ensure that their compliance is 100%. How about we learn to our private authorities? Because if the private authorities process the paperwork if it is way, this is where it leads to today. If banks show already compliance 100%, haven't you banally Manchester's one also? I don't banale bana but it's today. So to please shop owners re amoetse South Africa le phetse le rona nako etelele ebile le entse le bana ka ga South Africa hona le consequences tse ngata tse ka buang ka tsona, but e re kopang re tsa kgoletso hore ha le sena documents tse shapo e tswang here ma South Africans at least minimum of 60% re tse show hore ke permanent residents of South Africa, and then ke batho ba nang le proper documentations ya go ba ke ka ga di shop ke yona play ya rona e.
From now on, what is going to happen now?
As from now on, re na le di-meeting after the 30th June, since re kopana le bo makgwebo le bo rakgwebo ba sa le ba thuthuwa ntse ba sa kgone ho image ka baka la hore competition e tight na di-tech shop. So ho na le committee e establishitsweng, regulatory committee e tlo etsa sure hore e sebetsa le di-authorities tsenana, and to ensure hore local businesses le tsona di thola monyetla ka hara this market wa di-tech shops.
Manzo o qetela he o rata wa lebisa to our community, to Ngwathe municipality, Fezile Dabi and South Africa as a whole.
Okay, right. To Ngwathe local municipality re a leboha ka efforts nyana tse ba di entseng le ka ho establish LED. Re bone LED department e banne le bohona ba o leka ho etsa hore di-shop di comply, although this foreigners bona ba dochi, and re a leboha ka boikitlaetso ba bona. We are calling to Fezile Dabi to strengthen their inspectors to ensure that the environmental health inspector is mosebetsi, and we are still challenged because how bua le environmental health inspector o jwetsa gore ba babedi fela ba sebetsang region e kaofela. So we are playing to the district to ensure at least re bana le the inspectors sufficient to enforce laws in our district.
All right.
Thank you.
No, thank you.